Hi viewers, how are you? Hope you will be fine. In this video, we are going to learn about application or services that are starting or stopping automatically at system start means Windows starts or operating system start. So let's go to the main screen. Click on window icon in bottom corner and then click on setting icon and then search for apps. As on the screen you can see apps and click the apps. Now search for startup. As you can see startup. So now click on startup and search for the application or services that you are want to stop or start. In my case, for example, I want to stop Wadian Urdu dictionary. That's it about stopping or starting application or services. Thanks for watching this video.